In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Toncoin, TON, from Telegram wallet to Bitget, step by step, the safe way. First, open the Bitget app and log in. Tap Assets, then Deposit, choose Crypto, and search TON. Select the TON network, then copy your deposit address. If Bitget shows a memo/comment on the same screen, copy that too and keep it ready. Now open Telegram, search for @wallet or open wallet inside Telegram, and go to Withdraw. Choose External Wallet or Exchange, then pick TON. Paste the Bitget TON deposit address into the recipient field. If Bitget provided a memo/comment, paste it into the memo/comment field in Telegram wallet as well. Enter the amount and confirm. Make sure you have a little TON for the network fee. Finally, go back to Bitget and check Assets to Spot for the incoming deposit once it confirms on-chain. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.